Greetings everybody, how you doing? Backyard Dispatcher here. I'm your host Stoney, and welcome to my channel. If you're new to the channel and you're into air guns and stuff, like, hit that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. And before we go any further, if you are a subscriber and you're here, hit that like right now. I'm going to remind you because I haven't been getting the likes that I need. I mean, I know my stuff's not that good, but hit the like even if you don't like it, because it helps. It really does. It helps tell YouTube that, you know, my stuff isn't total shit and that people want to watch it. So if you hit that like, it helps me. It helps me a whole bunch. Not because I get paid or anything like that, or it's helping. No, it helps me. It helps me feel better. It doesn't help me get more views or anything like that. It just helps me feel better. So if you want to make me feel better, just smash that like button and I get happy. So there's that. So make me happy by smashing the like button and subscribe if you're new. With all that being said, what we got going on? Well, I got a package in the mail and I want to say thank you to King Brick Barrel for the contest and the air gun, and check out this new set that he sent to rep. Man, is that not cool, people? Gang banging, lead slinging, air gun gang. That's what we are, guys. We're a big family, and I would like to thank a bunch of people that have been supporting me and, you know, encouraging me to do more. And I want to give a quick shout out to Al's Air Guns. I haven't forgot about you, Al. I'm going to put more stuff in your package. If y'all don't know who Al is, he's a great guy. He a super nice gentleman. Lives up in Illinois. Illinois Air Guns. If you don't know who Al is, maybe y'all should meet. I've got some stuff I want to send him. He is the guy who's going to be getting the Brodax that Relax Bad Knee Venture won from King Break Barrel and sent to Mr. G. Whitfield, Gary. And Gary sent it to me, and now I'm going to send it to Al's Air Guns. And Al's going to pick somebody after he's done reviewing and playing with it to send to somebody. That's how we got that going. And which I think is pretty cool. This is us, y'all, working independently of the industry, sharing air guns. I think that's pretty kick-ass, if you ask me. And so I'm going to do a few commercials, not for the industry, but for us. So, you know, these shout-outs, those are the commercials. And the stuff we use are 3D people and things like that. You know, there's Red Corn Outdoors. He's an awesome 3D printer guy that works within the community. There's Bravo 3D, and a few other guys are starting to get into it. I hear GB Outdoors has got a software printer now, and he's trying to learn some stuff. And there's a few other guys. I'm trying to think of, you know, I'm not trying to go with big names, but there are a few of you guys out there that are doing some things. Much appreciated for your contributing things to the community. TKO is another one I was trying to think of. Awesome alternative type moderators. If you're looking for something different for your 2240 or your 2400 KT or something like that, he does some cool stuff. And his 45 trigger is top notch. What else is there? Oh yeah, this is a video about birds. If you haven't figured out, that's what it's going to cut to. And some of the ones that I have taken pictures of. But anyway, what else have I got? So I've got a Cordal, Lex, Bad Knee Venture. Am I talking too much, Hank? Hopefully not. Y'all know Hank over at Indiana Air Guns? He's an awesome guy. Should go give him a holler. Tell him I sent you. saw me yakking about him, tell him I sent you if you don't know who he is. And man, this rain just kind of, I mean, it sucks. I can't shoot any paper in it. I shoot the spinners and stuff like that, and hell, the birds don't even really come out, so it's like no hunting or anything like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this back over to the video. It's already too long, and thank you all for stopping by, giving me a few minutes of your time. I really appreciate it, and everybody who's been helping me and encouraging me, thank you kindly. It warms my heart and soul, and it's been helping. Thank you guys. Got a package in from Autzen, so my jet and flash will be up and running. Yeah, the charging handle on my flash took a shit. That kind of sucks. No pro, man. Every time I want to do your video, this is what happens to me. And it's like I get rain nonstop, and we're getting a lot of it, and it'll be real nice, and then all of a sudden, it's fucking rain. And oh, there's another cat. God darn it, he just put out a video. It's a lot like Rob and Justin did over at Fuel and Firepower.
Hello and welcome to Dean's Yard. Today this video is showing my shout out target thing. So what I've done, I've just drawn some circles and I've just added all the channels that I subscribe to. These are all air gunning channels and they're brilliant. If you've never visited them, I recommend that you do. They're great.
And it's got a bunch of air gunners' names on it, and I saw my name on there. Man, that trying to think of it's Dean, I think is his name. Yeah, Dean Outdoors or Dean Backyard or Dean Outdoors. I'm sorry, I can't remember right offhand. My head is not, my brain's not good, y'all. And especially at memory, I'll remember your faces and I remember things, like that. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna put y'all's names in the comments section. I'm gonna start dropping names, in there, and just random people for no reason, just so y'all can go see their channels if you haven't seen them yet. Because really and truly, we are a community that supports itself. People who like and watch our stuff are probably other air gunners, y'all. I don't think this is something that normal people, seek out that don't do it. So when your subscribers are probably all air gunners. So look at it that way, And if you are a creator and you aren't, getting the subscribes and stuff like that, drop it in the comments. Hey man, I have a YouTube airgun channel too. Don't be shy and not post that you're an air gunner. Even if you don't have videos and you're an air gunner, say, hey, I'm an air gunner. That way, and if you do want to start, we'll know that you're an air gunner and that you're contributing to our stuff. What can I say other than enjoy the video, guys? I've already talked way too much. Well, shucks. While I was editing, I forgot to tell about the what's in the video. So in the video, there's a little tough downing woodpecker, and if you watch the pictures enough, you'll notice that it's taking seed and putting it up into the tree for the baby to eat, and it's showing it how to eat. And I caught a still of it in mid-flight or in flight, It's pretty cool. It's one of my better pictures I think I've ever taken of a bird. Anyway.
Ricochet for Stony.